If you have Hashimoto thyroiditis, start with your gut. Do you know what happened in the lab? Scientists removed the gut microbiota from mice, and what they saw was shocking. Their intestinal lining was damaged and their immune system weakened. This tells us something powerful. There is a direct connection between the microbes living in your gut and your immune system. So, if the immune system attacks your thyroid, what happens? One of the most common autoimmune conditions is Hashimoto thyroiditis. And it's no surprise that people with this condition often have dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiota. What does that matter? Because your gut microbiota helps regulate the absorption of nutrients that your thyroid needs to function properly. And here's something even more fascinating. Your gut can act as a reservoir of T3, the active thyroid hormone. That means it can help keep your hormone levels more stable and possibly even reduce your need of levothyroxine, the medication often prescribed for hypothyroidism. So, let me ask you, what are you doing to take care of your thyroid? In my book, Life in the Gut, available now on Amazon, I explain in simple terms why your gut health is essential, especially for your thyroid. Especially if you are dealing with autoimmune issues like Hashimoto's. And I have included delicious, gut-friendly recipes that you can start using today, even if you have food intolerance. Because healing your gut might just be the first step to healing your thyroid. Happy gut!